1, 2, 3.
Hey guys, Jake here. Thanks for watching the Upland Wanderer with me today. I got my trusty sidekick, Gussifer here. Gus, you gotta say hi to the camera, bud. Psst, psst. Anyways, if you haven't already, like and subscribe. I'm gonna keep pushing out these training videos until the season finally opens back up, and then we'll get back into some hunting videos out in the woods. Today I'm gonna show you how I use the Wonder Lead. I think I got this from Gun Dog Supply, probably. It's a really handy lead. It's just got this rubber collar so you can slip it on and off when you need to tighten it. But you want a little slack when you put it on a dog, and these little adjustments are going to become signals for them. I got Gus up here just so I can show you kind of where I go. When you're putting it on, you don't want to be back here. It doesn't do as much. You want to get up, easy, whoa, Gus. I know, I gave you a signal, I know. And you can put it up behind the ears more, up close. That way you have a lot more control. Yeah, I know. We'll get moving here in a minute. If you put it up behind the ears, you get a lot more control, and you want a little bit of slack. If you can see here, you know, I got a little slack there. It's not hurting him all the time. There's either pressure on or there's pressure off. I use kind of a silent method when I'm going through the woods, where I use the collar to communicate with the dogs. 2 tugs would be to turn. 4 tugs is a recall. 3, 4. And if it's time to whoa, you get constant pressure. Now these will translate to a collar a little later on, but I'm going to show you just the basics of some drills I do with him early on with this Wonder Lead. Oh, careful, bud. With the Wonder Lead, and how they will to get them started. You'll do those for a few weeks with your puppy until they start figuring it out. All right, bud, let's get you down. Come here, Gus. Come. All right, for this one, guys, you're gonna see me. I'm gonna be going across the yard. What? Put the collar on over the dog's little snout there, behind the ears. I cinch it up till it's pretty tight, and then put that little blocker back in. Now what we're gonna be doing is walking through the yard just at a heel. And all we're doing is going slow, keeping the dog right where we want him, which is right at our knees. This is a good time if you want to use the word heel, because that way it gives you a verbal in case you don't have a collar on your dog, an e-collar to control with. I'm going real slow because that way the dog has to focus on me, and they start learning that you're a team. When I get ready to turn, tap, tap, and we turn. Tap, tap, and we turn. Might be out of the shot. I'm not sure how far that GoPro will go. Tap, tap, and we turn. Tap, tap, and we turn. And you start instilling those in them right off the bat. And like now with Gus, he's pretty much to the point where when you have an e-collar on him, he'll respond to just the vibrate sensation. 2 vibrates and he'll turn. Tap, tap, and we turn. Yeah, I bet we're out of frame, huh? Now, for recall, same sort of thing. I'm gonna get moving a little bit faster on the way back around. That way he stretches out a little bit from me and I can recall him easier. Tap, tap, turn. Now let's go, Gus. Come on, Gus. So he's done this a lot and knows that he's coming with me, but we'll try it one more time. Tap, tap, turn. Come on, Gus. Come on, Gus. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you bring the dog back to you. So then when you start using the collar, it'll be four pulses on the e-collar, and you can recall from any distance. And you going? Come on, let's go. One, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah, you don't like that one, huh? You bring them back to you. That's how they learn. 4 is a recall for and bringing them back. Tap, tap, start walking. Tap, tap, turn again. This was stuff we did a long time ago, huh? You're already bored. Oh, and you see constant pressure for whoa. Oh. Now you did that. That was constant up, and he for whoa. Now you get to step back and give him 4 for recall. 2, 3, 4. Come here. Come here all the way. Yeah, why are we doing this puppy stuff again? Yeah, I know. I should have done it when you were ever new, huh? Tap, tap. Tap, tap. Let's see if we can get a shot while that from the hand. See if we can get him a good close up. Tap, tap. You start walking. If he wants to drag behind, he will, but he'll catch up. Tap, tap. We're turning. That's your whoa command. That constant pressure up. Now you can walk around him. If he starts walking, whoa. You give him that constant pressure up again. These leashes are kind of cool because they have that little bit of rigidity. They're like a waxed rope. Oh boy. Whoa. Oh, lost it for a sec. Whoa. Whoa. One, 2, 3, 4. And you bring him in. Yep. That's the start of your heel and the start of training with one of these wonder leads. That bad? They slip right off? Pretty good, huh, bud? Yeah? Cool. Benji, come. Bench, right here. Come. Sit. Thank you. Alright, setter guys. Or, not setter guys. Retriever flusher guys. These work for you too. Up close, around the neck, behind the ears. Still got some slack on it. Well, there is a little bit of pressure. A little bit of pressure is what it means. Hey, hey, hey. Hey. Instead of a whoa command, full constant pressure for this dog means to just sit. Hey. See? Pop up. He sits. Now he's ready to go. He's hyper. He really wants to move with me, and he's really good about doing it. So we'll watch him go back and forth. We're still going to do 2 pops and turn, and 4 to come back. Your recall. Pop, pop. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Hey. Now, he hasn't been on this in a while apparently. He has got to slow him down. He wants to pull. So you just walk slow. Hey. Easy, bud. Easy. Turn. Heel. Hey. Heel. And if he wants to go faster, I just slow down. And he'll learn to go at my speed shortly. And this dog's always kind of had a lot of energy of go, go, go. He wants to be right in front of you, which is kind of his job. I'm going to do 2, turn, and we'll turn. 2, and we'll turn. It's probably Gus. You might hear Gus in the background. 2 and turn. Well, if he gets out there, gets out a ways, you want to bring him back? Oh, he just beat me to it. All right, we'll do it differently. Constant for sit. Sit. Put him back to the spot that he was. Reinforce it. Stay. 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 No. Move him back to where he was. Start over. Sit. Ah! No, come on. Come on now. You're tuned up. You got dumb brain because you want to play. Sit. Sit. Great, that's good. Sit. Now. Sit. Stay. With your mom too much. Stay. We're gonna do 4 tugs for recall. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, sit. 1, 2, we're moving. You. This guy just wants to predict my movements. And that's why he's kind of a spaz. He really only wants to do good, but it means being right next to you in his mind. And he actually does really well on the e-collar. So them jumping back to this, they're just not used to it anymore, but these are the steps. You want them to sit? See? Pressure on, pressure off when they sit. It'll be the same on an e-collar. 2 taps and you get moving. Just don't let them go blowing by you. That's annoying. Change your speed up. Tap, tap, turn. Now I'm gonna let him go out a little bit, maybe. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring him back and pressure on and he sits. Hey, heel. Heel. Oh. So yeah guys, that's how this works. On a big goofy lab. Obviously, we're gonna do a little bit more of that work with him as we kind of refresh for the season. Get them nice and get their brains thinking the right lines. Huh. Yeah. All right, good boy. Good boy. If you were curious where the other one was, I tied him up for a minute. He just had to watch. Which isn't bad. Watching isn't bad. Yep. Tie him up. Let him watch the older dogs work. They learn quicker that way. Alright guys, so that's, I mean, this is a Wonder Lead. It's a fantastic tool. The Delmar Smith. I know they carry a gun dog supply. I'm sure you can get it a lot more other places. It's very handy. I highly recommend it. I have no sponsorship from Delmar Smith. It's going to take repetition and patience, and then a lot more repetition and patience to get working with your dog. Small stints like that will get you there. 2 a days, do 2 a days, and you'll get there. And in our next episode, we'll show you kind of how I transfer those movements to use with our e-collars. So then out in the field, you can be silent going through, working with your dog. What do you think, Gus? It's getting hot already, isn't it? Yeah. But I think that's going to be it for us. If you haven't already, like and subscribe. And thanks again for watching. We really appreciate it. Until next time. You want this? Go get it.